To enable or disable assistant menu from the phone setting in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Next, tap the gray on offset next to assistant menu to enable this option. A pop-up menu will appear to inform you about the permission needed by this feature. Tap allow to continue enabling this feature. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is enabled. When assistant menu is enabled, a floating button contained with a menu of easy to reach button will be displayed on the screen. It will let you replace hardkeys, gesture, and other common interaction. You can tap it to easily access the item you have added to the assistant menu. To disable or remove the assistant menu from the screen, tap the blue on offset next to assistant menu to disable this option. Tap turn off to confirm your action. When the switch turns gray, it means that the assistant menu is disabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.